Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, slow market today as already anticipated earlier today due to the stock market which is closed today. So price reacted a little bit to our resistance level here. So far only got 3 waves to the downside. Could just be an extension of the WXY correction that we discussed in the previous video. We did talk about that 1624 micro support level here, the previous swing low as support, and you can see it never broke that even. I mean, briefly, yes, but the 1 hour candle didn't even close below that level. So support is still intact. And the key level here to watch for a break to the downside, in my opinion, is 1611. That's a 78.6 retracement level of the move to the upside. So at the moment, the assumption is, or the W would need to sit here. So the assumption would be at the moment that we just have an extension of the correction. At the same time, the 4th wave could also be finished. But then I would need to see some evidence. I would need to see a 5-wave move down or a break below 1611. So the assumption still is that eventually we should get another low. And within this resistance area, it can basically do anything. Yeah, corrective waves can morph, they can transform, they can change into different shapes and forms. There are over 10 corrective structures in Elliott Wave. It is a healthy wave 4 already. Yeah, I can tell you that. It's a healthy wave 4 already. And it's quite decent size, okay? So my view is that it doesn't need to extend. It can do. Ideal resistance or ideal level for a 4th wave is always the 38.2 Fib level. Again, it missed it by like $5, so it can still get there. Might even go a little higher, but as long as it stays below 1663, the assumption is we should get a 5th wave to the downside. Next support below that level is 1591 and 1576. And then a very relevant Fib level is 1536, which comes afterwards, which is related to the larger cycle. So downside momentum, in my opinion, still very much there, and downside pressure as long as we stay below 1663. Okay, what happens if we get above that level? It would, in my opinion, just be a large B wave. That's what I would pay attention to then, that we rally in a large B wave so that this B wave basically gets reset a little higher. So it could form, instead of this 3-wave move which we have here, yeah, in a B wave, it could become a larger 3-wave move. So the first 3-wave move is just the first wave of an even larger corrective wave, A, B, C. Okay, so it's more of an extension of the B wave and then come down. So in both scenarios, I would expect lower prices. It's just that in the high B wave scenario where 1663 could be a breakout point, it would be a rally probably first of all to round about 1850. There's a lot of resistance up there, a lot of liquidity. But at the moment, yeah, no change. It seems to be, you know, it's getting more and more difficult for it to make higher highs, as it seems. It's sort of stuck below resistance, below that point of control on the volume profile. So shared that with you earlier today. Down here, I just need to move, just need to zoom in a bit. Around 1650 is key resistance, yeah. So as you can see, it was sort of oscillating around that level for a while. Then we had that fake out rally, broke below it, retested from below, and it sort of can't really get above anymore. So I mean, not much more to add. I hope that is helpful, even though it's a bit boring today. Maybe tomorrow we get a little bit more action as the stock market will open again, or maybe a little later today as we're heading towards the daily candle close. But at the moment, not really any change. Pay attention to 1650, 1663, and to the downside, 1611 next. That's my update about ETH. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.